Asset and property trading. Why would I choose property trading? There are pros and cons involved with all types of financial and investment transactions. It is important that individual investors always consider their personal situation before deciding if an investment or trading opportunity is within their best interests. It is usually a good idea to consult a legal and financial specialist to assist you in making the most educated decision possible and ensuring that you consider the pros and cons of each transaction. The pros of asset and property trading are many and varied, with many traders having incredibly unique and personal reasons for wanting to trade their property or asset that makes them dissimilar to real estate investors who simply buy, sell and rent for the best profit possible. The pros of asset and property trading include the trash versus treasure philosophy. You may look at that old Mustang that your grandfather left you in his will as a cobwebbed space invader that is taking up much needed room in your garage, but to another, that Mustang might be just the car they have always been searching for to complete their collection. If you are seeking an inner-city renovator in which to create your dream home, it might just be the case that the trader looking to acquire your Mustang is willing to switch you a dilapidated piece of land in the inner city that you could make your own. Somebody's trash is another person's treasure. Similarly, if you have an asset you wish to get rid of and cannot find a trader who is giving away what you want in return, you could always sell for cash. Win/win. The transaction is without the usual costly and time-consuming protocols that accompany many property sales and purchase transactions or the red tape you cut through to buy a revered asset. The trade philosophy is quite addictive and you may find yourself acquiring assets for great prices simply to make the most out of a potential trade. This is when the business acumen comes into play. The cons of asset and property trading may also turn some people off the craft. Some cons include: the asset or property you wish to trade may not be desirable as a trade option to other traders and you could be left on the shelfie. This has a lot to do with the marketing techniques you use to sell your asset or property as a tradable commodity. Trading companies can take large commissions from the trade swap, and if there is no cash changing hands with your trade, this can mean out-of-pocket dollars. The swapped or traded commodity is not what you envisioned, but the trade is final and you only have legal avenues to pursue in order to regain the ownership of your original property or asset in the trade. Asset and property trading is a highly specialized field. Do your homework and ensure you speak with the experts before you jump in.